Yo, it's Terry. What's up, YouTube? We are back again with another video. And this time, because it's the 4th of July, we are watching a compilation of the most shocking 4th of July firework fails caught on camera. So I thought it would be appropriate just to see something that is related to the 4th today. As always, if you enjoy the channel, you enjoy the content, make sure you hit subscribe, of course, and then light an M80 under the like button and run away. All right, guys, we're going to be checking this video out. It's a very short video, so, we'll be able to get through it fairly quickly, but hopefully it's a good one. Let's check it out. Oh. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Today we will be watching the craziest firework fails ever to be seen. But
crazy.
Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your crazy firework stories.
No. Like, subscribe this channel. Forget what he said. Oh! What was that firework called? World War II? How many gunshots went off from that? That was crazy. The cat was going crazy too. The cat that was sitting on the table. Oh. Oh my goodness. Man, these fireworks are crazy. It seems like they disperse a lot more than normal fireworks, unless they just set it up wrong and it's, is aimed incorrectly and it just disperses everywhere. Because it seems as though a lot of the fireworks that are technically well, not technically. A lot of the fireworks that are considered fails in these videos are fireworks that just, it explodes and it disperses. Like I said earlier, it goes, it almost levels out. And then they sound like gunshots as well. But I haven't lit fireworks since I was a kid, believe it or not. You just got too many things to do nowadays. Like, look at that one. That one literally popped and found the target. It popped and came next to the guy right there with the white shirt and exploded. Like, how was it able to find where he was at? It's like literally a homing missile. Oh, man. So much for the excitement.
Yeah, no, but that was scary.
They're terrified now. Oh. That one wasn't so bad.
Get out of the way. The most is gonna happen is showers twice.
Did they light the firework in the fire pit? Why would you light the firework in the fire pit? That doesn't even make sense. And look how close quarters they are. There's literally nowhere. I mean, you can run to the back over there and run inside the door, of course. But look, it's nowhere to go. And if something explodes, I think it will be really bad in this area. He already knows it's gonna be bad. This one you can tell is bad because it's already windy. And why did she get out the car? Just stay in the car. That's the safest place in the whole area. Run!
Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Where's the fireworks at? Okay. I was waiting for something to blow up, but I guess she was the one that blew up.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Where's the fireworks? Those last two clips were nothing about fireworks. What happened? I guess I'm starting to think about the title. It says most shocking 4th of July firework fails caught on camera. So a lot of these are not firework fails. They're 4th of July fails. Yes. You got people slipping inside pools and other people saving dogs out of the pool. Those can be considered fails on the 4th, but there was nothing about any firecrackers in those videos, so I don't know what's going on. Oh, that one came all the way to the door. Oh. I wonder what the neighbors are saying. That one is giving them a warning. It's like, you better run. Yay. You better run right now.
Party.
Oh, it was a dud. You better run. You better run. Nothing. It would have been funny if it exploded right after. Oh! That one covered the whole street. Well, that was the video, man. Quick little short video. I appreciate you guys for watching. As always, again, if you enjoy the content, you enjoy the channel, make sure you hit subscribe and also light an M80 firework under the light button. Under the light button. Light an M80 firework under the like button and run away. Also hit the notification button. We got more videos coming soon. We will see you in the next video.